would cover whatever my roof is that I wouldn't be responsible for anymore. So I know that the condo association is responsible for the water damage, the light, and they're in charge of